I was really in pain with just everyday life things, and I actually thought it was my back that was giving me problems. So I needed to be evaluated again. Just through friends, and a lot of people just recommended him. And the first encounter, I just knew that he was the one to do my surgery. Everything is so much easier. Stairs, laundry, everything is so much easier. I would say don't wait to get evaluated. Why would you wait when you could get back to the things you like to do in a matter of a few weeks, pain-free?